bricks, wood, and windows broken down, with life left inside. Children's faces carry hard questions. The rest of us still searching for light. Where can we go and find what will heal us? Where can we go make sense of the pain? Where can we go restore what we're made of? Someone told me, Angel Lane. So bring your tired, your angry, your hopeless, and trade it in for God's grace and rest. Here we are, and though unfamiliar, a place like this reminds us we're blessed. Where can we go and find what will heal us? Where can we go make sense of the pain? Where can we go restore what we're made of? Someone told me, Angel Lane, where arms will wrap around you now. So feel them and know that they won't let you down. The one you lost still carries an ache. Find some peace on Angel Lane. Though we felt that we were abandoned, and though these trials have tested our faith, but when we ask the Lord for direction, He paved the way to Angel Lane.